sick of feeling unsure every time you pick up the guitar? Tired of second-guessing every solo, every note? In just a few minutes, I'm going to show you a simple shift in your playing that will erase your self-doubt and make you sound more confident than ever, whether you're a beginner or you've been stuck for years. Let's get started. The secret to playing with confidence isn't about cramming more notes, it's about learning to say more with less. And today I'll show you exactly how to do that. Section 1. Why more notes breed self-doubt? When we learn a scale, we often think, I need to use all the notes or I'm not playing it right. So we start running scales up and down robotically. But that doesn't make it feel as musical, does it? It just feeds our doubt. Here's what I want you to remember. Confidence comes from simplicity. Let's stop playing scared and focus on just a few notes. It's a game changer for your confidence. So this is soloing going up and down the scale. Sounds familiar. Well, now let's use just 2 or 4 notes and phrase something. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Section 2. Diagonal pentatonic for confidence. You've probably seen the minor pentatonic box, right? But those boxes can feel like cages, feeding our insecurity. Instead, try the diagonal pentatonic pattern. This simple shape lets you glide across the neck with confidence, creating musical lines effortlessly. Here's what it looks like. Notice how freeing this shape feels. You're not stuck, you're flowing, and that builds confidence. Section 3. Adding life to your notes. Now let's take this to the next level. Even with 4 or 5 notes, you can sound incredibly musical if you focus on phrasing techniques like bends, slides, hammer-ons, pull-offs, and vibrato. So we have these 5 notes. There's a lot of stuff you can do with just those 5 notes. Bendings, vibrato, hammer-ons and pull-offs. Slides. Just focus on these 5 notes in 3 different octaves. That's the diagonal pentatonic scale. There's a lot of stuff you can play with just that. Don't think about scales, don't think about extra notes, don't think about anything else. Just focus on how you play those notes. These decorations make each note come alive and gives you the feeling that you're telling a story and playing music, not just notes. Let's play a few simple phrases with those tools. For example, let's start with some slides. bends. Hammer-ons and pull-offs. Feeling that shift? You're no longer scared of what to play, you're focused on how to play it, and that removes self-doubt instantly. Section 4. Play with the band, not against. Here's one more secret to confidence playing. Stop practicing in isolation. Play over a backing track. This helps you react to the music, feel the groove, and stop worrying about scales and metronomes. I'll be playing a few notes over a backing track. Notice how I am listening and responding. If this lesson resonated with you, please tell me in the comments what's the one thing you struggle with when soloing. And remember, stop chasing more notes, start focusing on phrasing, simplicity and listening. That's how you move from fear to freedom and start playing guitar with confidence. And here's a great video if you want to keep improving your playing. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.